So we are in the shop. This is a Woodmizer BMS25mu sharpener, and it's been working great for the year and a half or so that I've had it. The other week it just stopped right in the middle of doing a blade. So all the lights went out, but everything was turned on. So shut everything off. And come to find out, open this up and relays seem to be working, and there's a little fuse. Actually, it's not there now. I'll haul it out. This is a little 1.6 amp fuse, and it's filled with either sand or silica, something like that. But I had this checked and it's fine, so I'm just gonna pop that back in there like so. And get the cover. This is the cover to the fuse. And put that on. There, that's on. So apparently there's another fuse on this panel, and I had doing some checking. 5 amp. They're about the same size as this one here, but it's a 5 amp fuse, and it's located. You have to remove this little circuit board, and it's not easy to remove, so you got to be careful that you don't break it. There's 4 of these tabs fit into 4 of these spades, real snug fit. So you got to pry that off, and there's the holder for the 5 amp fuse. So I'm gonna pop. I bought some spares. Pop that right in there. Like that. Put the cover back on this one. Like so. Take this, press it back into place. Switch hands here. There we go. Okay, so that's in there snug. So Woodmizer told me to change the fuse and plug it back in. So, and we'll see if it works. Well, I'm just going to try something here. This was a test. The plus 12 to common ground, you should get 12 volts. Yeah, get nothing. Well, let's turn this on. Oh, that didn't come on before, so that's a good sign. So let's try this. No. Let's try this one. Whoop. Okay, so everything worked. Haha. So lights are on. It was the cam motor that wasn't working before, and now it is. So it was just the fuse was blown. So that's excellent. Good news there. So if we turn that back on, we can get to see how it lights up inside. Yeah, so this fuse does light up. So yeah, so great. So these are on. That means you're getting power. Everything works. So the result was that 5 amp fuse in behind here. So that's good news. We can get back to sharpening again. Get back onto our day. Hope that's helpful to somebody.